Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to align your Wix site on different browsers. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have added in here a section, and this section I have added in a strip. So on the strips right here, you can add in columns on your strip. So adding in a column will actually make your website aligned and organized. So in order to add more columns, just click on this manage columns right here, and you can actually add in more column for this option right here. As you can see, we have now 3, or you can also add another one to make 4 right here. So you can also change the proportion of this color or this specific columns right here. In order to change this, you can also just head over and manage this again, and then we can change icons or settings for this one right here in this. So the next thing that you can do is you can actually just embed some things on your actual website. In order to do that, just click on this plus icon, which is the add elements button. In here, you can see the list, and here you can add in repeaters, over repeaters, block repeaters, or tables right here. So adding this organized things right here will make your site more organized as well. So for example, let's add in here a repeater. So let's actually add this one. And then let's just head over and put this on our website right here. Now we can attach this to our section. Now that we have added it, it will actually load and render for a while in order to show us what it looks like. Now this is what it looks like right now, and you can actually manage items right here in order to properly align them. Just click on this thing right here, and then you can actually just edit it out one by one on the text as well as the background images. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!